In this video, I'm going to show you how you can focus in and out and how you can create a child's mind map. Suppose you want to work with this branch. Right click. There you can see focus in. Now there is the same picture as the other mind map, but it's temporarily another mind map. It's focused. Well, let's say I make a new branch. For example, wow. Why not? Right click, focus out. And you see it's here. So you can focus in just one branch and its sub branches. You can develop, you can make new branches, and then you focus out and it's again in the total mind map. That's one. The second possibility is right click. You see create child map. Now it's making a new mind map based on the other. And if you do so, I always advise delete the descendants. I'll show you. Say yes. Now here is the same mind map, but it's not again focusing in and out. No, you see here a hyperlink. When you click on it, you go to the master mind map. And you can see now that the descendants are gone, and that's what you want. But what do you see? Yes, a hyperlink to the child branch. So these are the two great possibilities from iMindMap 11. I would say try it and work with it. Good luck.